fucking bitch. Hello and welcome back. It is finally finished. Got the base done, everything's working. Nameplate, got a little trim done here on the front of the display base I decided to put on. It was looking a little plain in my opinion, so I did that. We'll get the effects going on here so you can see that. I don't think I'll be building another model this small ever again. This was just very difficult. There was a time where you couldn't even build anything like this because LEDs of this size just weren't available. LEDs weren't available at all, for that matter. So, this is a short video. This is just going to be it right here. For those of you that stuck around for every chapter of this build, I greatly appreciate it. I got some, I'll preview some upcoming builds here. Some other model kits I'm going to be doing. Okay, so upcoming builds. When I'm going to be getting to these, I just don't know. Because, like I said, my focus is the Pontiac right now. I've got sort of a aviation and space theme going on in my living room. My walls have been bare forever, so this is what I've come up with. I've got a model, the Saturn V Apollo. I believe this is just the rocket. I'm going to be building a gantry that goes along with it, and I'll have it sort of like what it's in the picture. It'll be partially lifted off, and I'll have the smoke and fire coming off the bottom with some animated LEDs going on with that. Apollo 11, first lunar landing. Building that sometime in the future. I'm a sci-fi fan, Star Wars, Star Trek, all that stuff. I got two of these, 1000 scale. This is the 160 film. This is the 650 scale USS Enterprise. So this one's 18 inches long, I believe. And I have, this may be the 1000 scale. I don't even know. It don't even say on the box. It's an old original AMT kit of the Starship Enterprise. And I've got the Romulan Warbird and the Klingon D7 battlecruiser too. For those of you that are Battlestar Galactica fans like me, found this one on eBay one day. Colonial Viper. I've got the Cylon Raider, too, from the original TV series, and Battlestar Galactica, and a Cylon base ship. Believe me, these models were not easy to find at a decent price. You can, I mean, if you want like a base ship or a Battlestar Galactica model, and if they're still out there, you're going to pay well over $100 for just one of those. This one I think was 40 or 50 bucks. I was lucky enough to get it for that. So I got a couple more things down here, but pretty much that's it. Once again, thank you for coming by and watching this build. And like I said, the builds that I got coming down the road that I showed you the boxes of, those might be months away. So on to the Pontiac now, and we're gonna drop the gas tank, all that kind of stuff. So this will be the next video that you see on my channel. Hopefully it won't be too long coming down the road there. So everybody stay safe and have a good summer. Thank you.